Ito na yung Kapampangan dish na magpapasikip dyan sa sinturon mo. Kasi sigurado, only rice ka dito. Part 6 ng Noche Buena series natin. Balik ang ngiti ng Pinoy ngayong Pasko is a Kapampangan dish. This is my version of asado matwa. Syempre, napakasarap. Let's begin. This is 1.5 kilo of kasi, half cup soy sauce, around 4 tablespoon ng liquid seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, around half cup ng banana ketchup. Mix muna nating mabuti. Then, we will add around 8 pieces of calamansi. Ito yung magpapasarap dyan. Don't skip that. Then, marinate for 1 hour or longer. Depende sa'yo. Marinate na rin natin yung atay ng baboy. You may skip this part, pero ginawa ko. Tinalian ko siya to hold its form. Then, on a high heat, non-stick pan, sear muna natin. All sides to seal the juice. Maghiwa na tayo. This is 1 bulb minced garlic. Pwede nyong dagdagan yan. Mas marami, mas masarap. Then, around 6 pieces of red onions, imi-mince natin. Pwede nyong hiwain ng maliliit or yung ginawa ko. Dahil BFF ko talaga ang sibuyas, pinino ko siya using food processor. Then, another pampasarap ng sauce nyo, bell pepper. Mince nyo din yan. Isang peraso lang to, pero pwede nyong dagdagan yan. Mag-isa na tayo on a medium heat, coconut oil. Saute your garlic until brown, then add your onion. Saute this until translucent. Then, you will add your red bell pepper. Lutong-luto yan bago ko ilagay yung half nung tomato paste. Saute your aromatics, then ilagay nyo na yung atay ng baboy. Then, add nyo na yung marinated pork. This is 1 liter of water. Yung natirang marinade kanina, yung water, tansyahin nyo. Pag kulang, pwede nyong dagdagan yan. Depende yan sa inyo. Cover and simmer, palambutin na natin. You may add water as needed hanggat di lumalambot. Medyo malambot na to, add kayo star anise, 3 piraso. And 3 pieces laurel. Cover and simmer ulit hanggang lumambot na siya. Then you may remove your meat para ma-slice nyo to your preferred serving sizes. Pwede nyo lang iserve yan together with the sauce. Pero ako, binalik ko dun sa sauce. Then nag-simmer pa ako until magmantika, lumapot at matuyuan yung sauce. Pasarapin pa natin pork cube and konting sugar. So pag isa-serve nyo, nahiwalay yung lulutuin nyo pa separately yung sauce hanggang makuha nyo yung tamang lasa at consistency, and that's it. Nakagawa ka na isang napakasarap na Kapampangan dish, asado matwa. Kung meron pa kayong request, comment nyo lang and share nyo to.